How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a project at my parents' house. We're gonna tear off their old deck they have here on the house. We do a bunch of moving around here with the tractor, tear off all these deck boards, and in the future we'll be pouring a patio area out of concrete. So we got the pallet forks on Max, looking good. And this is what we're tearing off. We already started moving stuff around right here, getting stuff out of the way. And first we're gonna get the railing off of it. Start taking off deck boards. We got to clear all this out here. There's going to be concrete all along this area, basically a 20 by 24 pad with poured concrete steps to the house. So we're going to use the Mahindra here to move a lot of the heavy stuff. We'll carry the deck boards around. We'd like to use them for some above ground planters, so we're going to do that and see what we can save here, because lumber prices are extremely high right now. We may as well use it for something else. Pulling some posts out of the ground, and if we can't get them out, we're just gonna have to dig them out by hand. I'm not too thrilled about that, but we gotta do what we gotta do, because hopefully in a few weeks we'll have concrete poured here, and we can start building on some structures on it for our grills and such to keep stuff out of the weather, and so we have a nice patio area to relax on in the summertime. So stick around. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, we got the railing off. We got Tommy over here getting the rest of the railing off by the stairs, and we got to get the table off on top, and we'll start taking the deck boards off. It's going pretty smooth. All right, we got all the deck boards off, looking good. Now we're gonna cut an 8-foot section out of this to put over by the pool. We're gonna put some bladders on it to help heat the pool up. So let's keep working on it. just like that, we are finished with the project. Got the deck out of the way. Dirt smoothed out for now until the concrete guy comes in a couple weeks, forms it up, and pours us a fresh new pad. Well, everybody, thanks for stopping in today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of deck tear off and watching Max do some work here. I was really impressed by how the tractor performed. I was able to pull those posts out of the ground, as you guys noticed before in the video. A couple of them left the concrete in the ground, or it looks like maybe, I don't know, maybe we forgot a bag at one point. Anyways, the project went well. Max was up to the task. It saved us a lot of back-breaking work that, otherwise we'd have to carry and move once, move twice, move 3 times. We were able to get stuff on top of boards and get ready to go in the future. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Put some comments down here below. I like having conversations with you all. It's very rewarding to speak with you viewers, and without you all, this channel wouldn't exist, so I really do appreciate all of you tuning in. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already part of the YouTube family and you'd like to join along, and you like content and videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And again, if you guys have any comments or anything, put these down below. I will put some links down below on Amazon. Again, they are Amazon affiliated links, and if you guys choose to order something through those links, I get a little bit of a kickback for that. And remember, it's a good way to support the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. If you're ordering stuff on Amazon, they're paying me for it, and you're not paying any premium for that, so don't worry about that. Thanks again for stopping in. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, this is Kyle signing out. I'll see ya.